Well, one of the complaints as far as investors in India are concerned is the fact that, whenever the stock market rally plays out, a lot of the stocks they own are actually hindered or hampered by the fact that there are upper circuit as well as lower circuit limits that are enforced as far as the regulators and the exchanges are concerned. So what this basically means is that for a whole host of mid-cap as well as small-cap stocks, especially stocks that are not present as far as the F&O space is concerned, SEBI as well as NSE and BSE keep an upper as well as a lower circuit limit in place. So what it basically means is that a particular stock, let's say a DMart up till today, could not move more than 10% in a single trading day. When I say 10%, it means 10% from the previous close, both as well as the higher as well as the lower end of the range. So now what has actually happened overnight is that for over 640 stocks have actually seen a revision as far as their circuit filter limit is concerned, and due to this a whole host of stocks are now will be trading with a revised circuit limit. It also ensures that there will be ample liquidity, and one of the main reasons why the exchanges will actually ensure exchanges keep such a limit in place is to ensure that the volatility does not really impact the portfolios or does not really see such large M2M revisions. So you're talking about some of the stocks, have a look at some of the important names to keep an eye out for in the trading session. Remember, this is a largely technical development, and sentimental changes only will be seen as far as the stocks is concerned. Fundamentally, nothing much changes as far as the company is concerned. So some of the stocks to keep on your radar on the back of the fact that there has been a circuit filter limit that has been upwardly revised. First on your list is for the 5% to 10% circuit filter change, Adani Green, Adani Transmission, Affle India, AU Small Finance Bank, BF Utilities, Lemon Tree as well as Quess Corp. Now all of these stocks have actually seen an upward revision from the 5% bracket that they were in earlier to the 10% bracket that they will now start trading effective today. We are talking about the now 10% to 20% circuit filter change. We are talking about names like Avenue Supermarkets. Also, remember, this is DMart, the stock that we are talking about. This particular stock has seen two upward filters in the past couple of months, from a 5% to a 10% and a 10% to a 20%. Chalet Hotels, IIFL Finance, OMDC, Orissa Mining Development Corporation, Shoppers Stop, Atul Auto, Arvind, Jubilant Life, SpiceJet. These are some of the stocks that will remain in focus today on the back of the fact that you've seen an upward revision as far as their trading or the circuit filter is concerned. This also ensures that the investability factor as far as these stocks now improves, and also ensures more liquidity and more volatility that now traders would be able to capture. So watch out for these stocks. All of these stocks would be in focus on the back of the circuit filter changes.